This is Celine at Chops Consulting, and today's video is on sharing documents or invoices or any type of file with your clients via LawConnect. So you'll notice from your details and correspondence pane, you'll see a button here that says Share Document LawConnect. You will also notice it some other places. For example, you can share your statement via LawConnect. You can also share your trust statement via LawConnect. So there's a few kind of options for how you want to share documents or what you can share with LawConnect. Today I'll be focusing on sharing documents from the detail and correspondence pane. So anything that you have in here, any kind of documents, you can share them to your clients. You can share them by email as well. If you right click, share, you can send via email, and you can email original PDF. You can also send to your, internally in Microsoft Teams, if you use Teams in your workspace or your firm. And this one is actually already shared via LawConnect, so you can see Manage LawConnect Access. I'm just going to find one that's not already shared. Here we go, we got a conflict check. Okay, so this is just like an image or whatever, but you can share via LawConnect. If you click this, you're basically going to have a pop-up here with some options on how to share. So you'll see here, you can type in your client's email address. You can also see any cards that you've already attached to the matter. If you want to send it to somebody and their card is not on the matter, first of all, I recommend just adding it to the matter, because if you're sending matter-related documents to them, they probably should be attached. But you could browse all cards or add a new card. You can just type in a one-off email. Again, probably should add, but that's your choice. But I'm just going to select Donald Duck for now because he has my email address. For access, you can choose either sign into view, which is the most secure, and clients can come back again and again and see all their documents related to the matter in one place, or you can choose anyone with a link can view. It's pretty easy for people to sign in. Or just to simply create an account. So usually I recommend sign into view for the most secure, especially if you're sending like trust statements and invoices and stuff. Then you can put in some sort of message like, hi, here is the document I promised, I don't know, whatever you wanted to send. Then you can choose if you want to send it in the original format, in this case like as an image, or if you're sending a Word document, you would be sending it as like Microsoft Word document that they could possibly edit. You could also share it as a PDF, and then the most secure is a restrict editing PDF. Then from here, click share, and it's going to send to the client. I'm also just going to share, let's see if there's here we go. I'm just going to share this letter as well, so that I can show you comments, and how to create comments for once you're in LawConnect. I'm not going to put any text. You already saw what that looks like. Here we go. What's going to happen next is your clients will receive an email, new document shared, and then in this case it says test client because when I originally created my LawConnect account, I used the fake client's name, test client. So now that's my email associated with it, but it'll actually say your client's name. Celine Hogue of Chops Consulting shared a document with you. This case, there's no text. The previous one that I did, where there's a message, it says, hi, here's a document I promised. So it has like that message that you could put. But I'll just go back to this one, view. At this point, your clients will have to create an account and sign in, or if they already have an account. I'm signed in now already, so we kind of skipped that screen. There's also a Android and iPhone app for LawConnect that clients can download if they want. So here's the document. It's not very exciting. One thing you'll notice is there's a comment section here. There's no comments yet, but now I'm pretending to be the client. I got this document. Maybe I wanted to say, highlight something. You spelled my name wrong. I don't know. In this case, it's not. But you could send this to lawyers, and lawyers can make all sorts of comments in a document, right? Or, something that's missing or something they want changed. But now you can see there's the comment. We'll just say comment 2. I'm not feeling very creative today. So you can see there's like multiple comments on here now. Also, details, you can just see like the file size, when it was shared, the version that it is. They can download it. They can kind of full screen it if necessary. Once your clients are in LawConnect, they can also see everything that's been shared to them on a particular matter. If they had multiple matters with you or with other firms, they can also see all their matters here that have documents and information about them. They can also see all their invoices and trust funds, anything that's shared by the firm, uploads. So this is where, let's say you want information from your client. Maybe you want them to send a copy of their ID. Maybe you want them to send like some documents or whatever it might be. They can go here, hit upload. They can choose what file they want to upload to you. They can also choose to send a message where it's uploading, which would be your firm. Hit upload. So when they send you a document, you will now both receive an email as well as a notification within LEAP. So let's just go back to this matter, and you can see here once you share it, it now says shared and comment. This is the letter that we sent, so they can actually see that there's a comment and that it's been shared. They can also you can manage access. So maybe you want to revoke a document, maybe you sent the wrong version, there's a new version, or maybe sometimes the document you only want it to be available for 30 days and you want to revoke access so it's not sitting there forever. You can go in here and manage your access. Here's who has it. You can change if you want to anyone with a link or revoke. You can add a recipient, like maybe you only sent the document to one person, but they said, hey, can you also send it to so-and-so? You can add a recipient, update it. So that's how you update it. You can also see now here that the client has uploaded this document to you. You can see the document has new comments. So this is where you get the notifications, as well as you will receive an email. If we just go back to the main matter, this is this folder. If a client ever uploads a file to you, it's going to create a folder here called LawConnect Collaboration with Test Client, and this is where you'll find anything that your client uploaded to you. So overall, pretty straightforward. The one last thing I'll say really quickly is you can also at a firm level see all the LawConnect shared items across all your matters and manage them right here under LawConnect shared items, just under the main menu. So yeah, now you can see you can filter by, what type of document it is, whether it's a receipt or a trust statement or an image or an email. You can see which ones were viewed, which ones not viewed. You can see anyone with a comment, who shared it. And you can also search your LawConnect shared items. So yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty useful.